Hi guys, today I have come to Aibahani temple again, and now you can look a beautiful river is flowing through a basin, and fishes are swimming in this basin. You can look and here, wow, water is flowing, very nice, very beautiful, and this is the wall of rock, and there is a crystal on that rock, and the uses of that crystal is a lot of. Here insects are also swimming in this water with fishes, and I'm going to temple. Big rocks here available, and this is a deep valley, small valley but deep. So this is the area of Aibahani temple, and really so beautiful. There is a bird, and oh, she flew away. Okay, he was fishing there. Thank you.